Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and well, I just checked into the Hampton Inn in the historic nature trail in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Let's take a look at this room. It's a really nice room. This is got a 2-queen room. So let's go take a look at here and see what they got and then what the room looks like. I really like this hotel. I've stayed here a couple of times before, so it's really nice. And I've already did a king room before here, so I'll put a link down in the description and a card up at the top up here for you guys as well, so you can check that room out. Well, this is a 2-queen, non-smoking. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Just inside the door, and right inside the door, of course, is the bathroom. So really nice. So that's and this hotel. Here's the beds. Really nice beds. And TV, microwave, and little food storage. And this is the refrigerator over here. So, yep. Okay. Of course, the TV and little work desk. And then there's the Sidney James is right next to the Sidney James. So I'll try to maybe do a tour of the hotel in a separate video, but this is the room. So a really nice room, really nice place to stay, and rooms are really nice and everything. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this room tour, and I highly recommend this hotel. And again, this is the Hampton Inn Nature Trail. It's up on the hill from the Parkway. The one down on the Parkway is really nice too. I like staying there as well. And this is the one up on the hill and Nature Trail, kind of behind Ripley's in the Convention Center. So, all right, well, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and well, guys, I want you to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. We'll do a quick run around here.